Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down just a bit and tap on Connection and Sharing. After that, select Printing section and tap on Default Print Service. Then click on this gray sweater if it's not already on and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service, you need to disable this one. Go back and tap on Add Service instead. Now install the best one for you, in my case HP one, and select the back button. Then click on your service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!